baby, here we go.
Fitting the Atomspeed scoop to our demo car. So we're going to show you how to basically fit it, because these ones require a little bit extra installation than the R53. So if you're fitting one, keep an eye on this video.
Right, so first of all we're going to remove the standard scoop. Just open the bonnet, you'll have a grommet here with a clip in like this. So you undo the clip, pull it out, as you can see, leave the screw in. Pull your bonnet down, just put it on the first catch, and duct tight, and it'll just pop out like that. As you can see, some of the clips stay in, some don't. These we're all going to remove using a trim tool to remove the standard clips. So all the clips are removed. As you can see, you've got quite a clean, bit of a bendy surface on there. I've painted mine black inside obviously so it doesn't show through the vent, because it did. So we got the new scoop, 3 bolts, as you can see. So on the longest bolt at the bottom here, you'll see this hole, you've got to follow straight through with the drill. All the instruction will be supplied with the drill sizes, so that will then pop through and give you a hole there. It's always advisable to put a bit of touch up round it to stop it rusting as well. Get your scoop, bottom hole in first, slot it in and check for fitment. Now when I very first fitted this one, there was a little rise up on this very top corner here. So what I had to do, it may be different on yours, it may be different on everyone. All I had to do was bend this down a little bit where the bolt was connected. Obviously just pulling it, you can see it's not hard at all, it's very flimsy. So you can just push that edge down there, giving me that nice, clean, even fitment on there. Once that's in there, you can see from underneath you've got 3 bolts here, washers, bolts, job done. So once the scoop's installed loosely as we saw before, go back, you've got your washers on, hand thread the bolts on, obviously just to make sure you don't cross thread them, and then just get your little spanner and just nip them all up. Obviously you want to hold the top of the scoop there and push down on it till you've nipped each side up. So they're all tight, close it back down. Now you just need to check the gaps around the bonnet to make sure everything's equal. As you can see, I pre-did mine, so that's pretty good. It's a bit of spray, give it a bit of a wipe, get all the fingerprints off. So when doing this on the R53 you would follow the same process. Obviously on the R53 you've got 4 smaller bolts here, here, here and here. Once you've removed your old one, it just bolts on in the same way. You will have the same skin where it bolts to, so obviously if it does need adjusting on either corner, again just bend it down, refit it, then you're done.